Hi, Vaughn here with Tasty Fare 101, and today it's a little pizza day. A little pizza with English muffins. So what we're going to do, I don't know why I have an Italian accent all of a sudden. It's easy. If you got kids, you're in a hurry, hey, even for big kids, it's all good. So let's just cut an English muffin in half, shall we? Boom, boom, like that. This takes about, just minutes, actually. To complete, make sure you turn your oven on to 400, preheat that. I like to have, all my ingredients should be pretty healthy. Here's a pizza sauce I use, all natural ingredients, no artificial flavors. Italian whole peeled tomatoes, olive oil, onions, basil, salt, garlic, black pepper, and oregano. That's it. That's all they have in there. So anyway, get your favorite pizza sauce, any kind of red sauce, and just dap on there. And that. Let's just get that sauce on all of our English muffins. Get that nicely spread out so it just falls right down into those honeycombs that the English muffins are so famous for. Okay, now place that on our baking sheet, and mozzarella, fresh mozzarella. I don't like to use the pre-shredded. It has things in there that just I don't think should be in there, to keep it from sticking together. So yeah, one more, two more, there we go. That should do it. All right, so we just want to equally distribute our cheese. Beautiful. Don't get too much off of there, off of the English muffin. You want it on the English muffin, right? I'm going to do just a little bit more. Here we go. A little bit on you, a little bit on you. And there we go. So add some pepperoni. Yep, get some pepperoni. Because everybody likes the pepperoni. And there I go again, thinking I'm Italian. And I'm not. But, maybe one of my ancestors was from Italy. I'm a short one, the pepperoni. There we go. I found it. Okay, so you can pretty much add whatever you like on this, but this is just going to be fabulous right here. It's just simple, nice little snack when the kids come home from school, or just when you need a snack. There it is. Okay, 400 degrees in the oven, 10 minutes. We'll be right back. Pizza's ready. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We have 4 mini pepperoni mozzarella pizzas. That is looking so good. I'm gonna have some, cool it down just a little bit. Cool it down, grab me a plate. There we go. And do I dare? Look at that. I'm going to enjoy this. If you enjoyed it, make some at home. Let me know how it comes out, and subscribe, like. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Arrivederci. Ciao. See ya. Adios. What else is there? Au revoir. Okay. That's the end of my video. See you later. Bye.